Labor law. Topic: Industrial labor in India. What is the primary objective of trade unions in India? Option B: to improve wages, working conditions, and rights of workers. The first Indian trade union was formed in 1918. The All India Trade Union Congress was founded in 1919. The Industrial Disputes Act 1947 regulates the process of settling industrial disputes and strikes. The right to form a trade union in India is graduated under the Constitution of India, Article 19. The Trade Unions Act 1926 requires trade unions to be registered with the government to be recognized legally. Which of the following is not a function of trade unions in India? Ensuring political dominance of a particular party. What is industrial democracy in the context of Indian labor relations? Workers participate in decision-making process of enterprises. The concept of collective bargaining refers to discussions between workers and employers to agree on employment terms. The role of the National Industrial Tribunal in India is to mediate in industrial disputes between employers and workers. The right to strike in India is allowed only under specific conditions after legal procedures. The concept of workman under the Industrial Disputes Act includes all employees working in an industrial establishment. The 2019 Code on Industrial Relations in India aims to consolidate and simplify existing labor laws. A closed shop in India refers to a practice where employers hire only union members. The workers' participation in management scheme is based on the principle of workers having a voice in company decisions and management. The Bombay Industrial Relations Act 1946 was enacted to regulate disputes between employers and employees in Bombay. What is the role of a trade union leader in India? Represent workers' interests and negotiate with employers. The term industrial peace refers to continuous negotiations between employers and a trade union without disputes. The Industrial Relations Code 2020 amalgamates with which key laws? Option A: Industrial Disputes Act 1947, Trade Unions Act 1926, and the Industrial Employment Act 1946. The recognition of trade unions in India is important for all of the above, allowing workers to legally demand higher wages, ensuring workers' participation in company decisions, ensuring the fair representation of workers in legal proceedings. The minimum wage for workers in India is determined by state governments or through agreements in some sectors. Which of the following is true about the status of trade unions in India? Only registered trade unions are eligible for recognition. The concept of industrial democracy has been promoted in India by various labor laws and policies. In India, the freedom to form trade unions is guaranteed under the Constitution of India. Which of the following organizations is responsible for promoting labor welfare in India? Employees State Insurance Corporation.